Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arel and I hope you are doing well. Today we are doing the next week of the 52 list project. It is a weekly journaling video that I do that literally fills up this book or answer the prompts. I put them in my journal. If you guys are interested in the other videos, the previous weeks, I will link it in the cards right now. But for this week, I wanted to write a list of the things that always cheers me up. So I wanted to do something different today, and I will be explaining in just a few, but let us pull out my journal. So I'm pulling my insert out. I am using the weekly insert from Traveler's Company. And let us go to the week or the upcoming week. So instead of doing some deco and writing down the answers for this prompt, I actually went ahead and designed a page on Canva that I printed out, and I'm literally just going to stick it. I was kind of bored at work and I just logged in on Canva and tried to answer this prompt. So I have this layout. I just looked up a vision board layout and I literally just put in the photos of the answers to the prompt, and I wrote down the descriptions for the photos. So I'm going to cut this out. So I literally have this 2 size and I'm going to just stick it on there. I think it's a little wider, but I'll just trim off the excess page on here. But yeah, so I printed this on sticker paper to make it easier for me to stick it on there. Let's just see. I'm trying to flatten this out as much as I can. And here we are. Go ahead and trim this excess part. And there it is. So some of the things, or these are probably the main things that would always cheer me up. My first entry right here is my journal, like this journal, and the rest. I like filling it out. I like doing some memory keeping, writing my thoughts and my experiences on paper. So that always lightens my mood, honestly, every time I do it. Next is ice cream. Ice cream is probably my favorite sweet thing of all time. I like candy, but I feel I would probably choose ice cream over candy. Next is sunflowers. I love seeing sunflowers, especially in the wild. Like there are, here in California, there are some parts like around in the central and the north area that once you're driving just in the highway, you can see sunflowers literally growing like on the side of the road. And I think it's really cool, and sunflowers are my favorite flower. Next is the beach. The ocean is probably one of the loves of my life. I love just going to literally just chill, hear the waves, see the waves, and it's probably one of the most like calming feelings for me. So if I am feeling down and, you know, just not doing well, a trip to the beach is always a good solution. And then next is a good book, especially if it's something that I'm truly immersed in, like fantasy. Fantasy is my #1 genre when it comes to reading books. So if I'm really truly invested in like a good book, oh my gosh, like that would definitely cheer me up. And then next is a good cup of coffee. Lattes are my go-to. I would always go for a vanilla latte at a new coffee shop that I've never visited, because if their vanilla lattes are good, it means everything else is good. But I do have an obsession right now. I believe it has some Spanish influence because it has condensed milk in it, and they have like different names for every coffee shop I go to, and that just truly brings me joy because it's so good. And then next, of course, is planning. So it's kind of go hand in hand with my journaling, but planning is probably, you know, it gives you control, and having control of your life cheers me up, I guess. I don't know, like the fact that, you know, I am in charge of my own destiny, all that kind of, you know, beliefs and stuff. So I love that, and, you know, having the opportunity to just plan and like just play with my planners, it's really something that I treasure the most because it also cheers me up. And then another one is Lord of the Rings movies. So I watch Lord of the Rings every year, sometimes even more, and the movie series is my favorite of all time, especially the third one, and especially the extended editions. And when I'm just at that point where nothing else can cheer me up, I would put these on, and it just gives me hope and joy with everything going on in my life and in the world. So Lord of the Rings. And then next is long walks. I consider walks to be some form of therapy. When I am feeling overwhelmed and I am feeling a lot of negativity, I like to go for a walk. It's truly one of the best things that I do for my physical health that in turn also affects my mental health. So yeah, long walks, love that. I still have yet to find good spots here in Los Angeles that will allow me to do so, but I am giving up, so I still like that. And then next is ocean drives. I love driving by the ocean. I lived in Monterey for 6 months last year, and it was truly one of the best things ever that happened in my life, because getting to live next to the ocean and then just driving literally with the ocean right there next to you is just a really nice feeling. And my partner and I are both like big sea ocean people. I forgot the term for, you know, the love for the ocean, but we like to go on drives and stuff whenever we have the opportunity to. And then lastly is French fries. French fries are my favorite food, favorite snack, and literally if I am feeling like snackish and want to eat something that I know will lift me up and would put me on a better mood, it's definitely French fries, or any like potatoes, honestly. Like hash browns for breakfast, top notch. French fries for lunch and dinner, and also vodka. Anything with potatoes definitely would cheer me up. So there is that. Sorry I didn't do like a little decorating thing, but I really wanted to do it this way, and I don't know, honestly, there's a part of me that's probably gonna do this again for the weeks to come when I'm not feeling like as inspired when it comes to decorating, but we shall see. So if you guys are interested in doing more of this, please let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.